I was speaking to someone the other day that had lost a lot of weight recently. Apart from the obvious change in her appearance, one of the other things I noticed was her renewed confidence and enthusiasm for everything health and fitness. Being interested in her story, I asked her what she thought the keys to her success were so far. The first thing she mentioned was that she'd made a conscious decision to make this year the year about her, where she put herself and her health first, instead of putting the rest of the family's needs first. Secondly, she consulted a dietitian with a reputation for handing out tough love, holding people accountable and not accepting excuses. Thirdly, she started to exercise, starting out gradually and progressing to jogging, participating in fun runs with friends and work colleagues, and even joining the gym. What I found most interesting about her story was the bit about the tough love and how important that was to keeping her accountable and motivated at the beginning of her weight loss journey. Recently I also read a post on our weight loss forum where one of the regular contributors dealt some tough love to a new member who wanted to call out her behavior publicly and get open and honest feedback from people who had been there themselves and got the t-shirt. What struck me about both examples was that the recipients of the tough love welcomed it and was motivated by it. But not everyone responds positively to this type of feedback, encouragement, often to their own detriment. Tough love is best served by those that have been where the recipient has been, or has helped lots of people to lose weight and keep it off. At the end of the day, they know that it is the results that count, and sometimes something as challenging as losing 10 kgs, 20 kgs, 30 kgs or more calls for drastic action and the putting aside of one's feelings. If you respond well to being challenged, maybe a little bit of tough love could help you to lose weight and start leading the healthy lifestyle you dream of. If that's the case, we encourage you to get it from wherever you can. That includes from our weight loss forum, which is free to join, or from health professionals like dietitians, personal trainers, weight loss program providers, naturopaths, etc.